Bumalik ka na. Kumusta ang trip mo sa US?
Oh, sorry, I didn't understand. I was in the US for a while.
Ano?
Yeah, bro, I can understand Tagalog, but I can't really speak it, you know?
Di ba 2 araw lang ang bakasyon mo sa US?
Bro, don't judge me. It's not my fault. I can't help it that I'm Americanized now.
Anong sinasabi mo?
Oh, look, man, I'm sorry. I don't speak your language. We're in the US, so
Eh, nasa Cavite nga lang tayo. Ang US.
look, man, I need you to stop talking and start listening, all right? We speak English.
Last week nga lang, nagbibideo okay tayo. Puro Tagalog kinakanta mo.
Hindi na sana iniwan pa. Sana'y pagtabarin na.
Bisaya pa nga eh. Nangyari sa'yo.
Bisaya? What's Bisaya, bro? I have a lot of friends in the US. I'm actually a citizen there now.
2 araw lang? Citizen agad?
Don't jealous me, bro. Don't jealous me.
Yabang mo, bro. Yabang mo na.
I don't even know what that means. I'm like super American now. Hey.
Oh! Hey!
My fellow American. How are you on this fine American day?
Di wow. English ka pa. Sipain kita dyan.
Ano ba yun? Yabang naman, maputi lang, supot naman.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Hey guys, maraming salamat sa panonood.
Nagbabay na ako.
Sana nagustuhan niyo itong video na to. There's plenty more where that came from. Yes, we can intro. Now before we go guys, we want to let you know about our app, Phil Talk, social media for the Philippines. Now my dating portion, and it's where you can learn languages of the Philippines din. Ayun. So, nasa App Store po siya. And if you're on Android, go to philtalk.net to download the app. Ayun, check it out guys, philtalk.net. Alright, we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Hey, baby boy. You say bye.
Say bye, bye.
Bye. Bye.
3, 2, 1, action.
Oh, hey man.
3, 2, 1, go.
You're beautiful.
2, 1, action.
Yabang mo, bro. Yabang mo na.
2, 1, action.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.